What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You guys forgive me for the sound, but I lost the adapter piece for my microphone. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into this food. Let's go ahead and bless it. Lord, I want to thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Amen. Y'all, when I tell y'all these smashed tacos was fire, oh my God. Y'all, this is a definitely must try. I made some sauce out of the plant-based ranch, and I put some of the Taco Bell's fire sauce in there and mix it up. Oh my God. Don't knock it till you try it. So y'all, I was supposed to be making the whole video showing y'all the clip when I made the smashed tacos and everything. I did get some clips, but I didn't put it in this video because I didn't like how they came out. But yeah, y'all, it was very simple. And if you guys do try them, let me know in the comments down below how you liked them and how did they turn out for you. Because they was fire. So y'all, I'll do the how-to in the description down below so you guys can see how I made these. But when I tell y'all these were so amazing, oh my God. Y'all, now, I was not expecting this. You see, ooh, come on, jalapeno. You see how that, oh my God. Y'all, I was not expecting for that to squirt out like that. It got all on my wall, on my chair. But anyway, y'all, if you have not tried the smashed tacos, please try this. Like I said, I will have the ingredients and how to make it in the description down below. But yeah, y'all. All right, you guys, I am not that good at voiceovers, but yeah, y'all, so this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.